What would it take for XRP to become the global reserve cryptocurrency? Imagine a world in which a single digital asset can bridge all currencies, enabling quick, easy, and reasonably priced cross-border payments. Ripple Labs' cryptocurrency, XRP, has become a strong candidate for this groundbreaking position. However, what if XRP could surpass its present use and overtake established titans like the US dollar to become the world's reserve cryptocurrency? The global financial system would be completely upended by such a change, which would also present chances and difficulties that would alter economies all across the world. As countries look for alternatives to fiat currencies in an increasingly digital economy, the idea of a global reserve cryptocurrency is becoming more than just a sci-fi fantasy. Although XRP has an advantage because to its speed, scalability, and current relationships with financial institutions, achieving global reserves status is not an easy task. There are many significant barriers in its path, including price stability, institutional adoption, regulatory barriers, and geopolitical factors. Would XRP be able to overcome these obstacles and maintain its position at the center of the world financial system? Examining the technological, financial, and geopolitical elements that could make or shatter this audacious goal, this video delves deeply into what it would take for XRP to achieve such prominence. Get ready for a look at how money will develop in the future. 1. Overcoming obstacles in regulation. One of the biggest obstacles to XRP being a worldwide reserve is regulatory certainty. Financial regulators around the world, particularly in the US, are currently closely monitoring XRP. Uncertainty has limited XRP's mainstream acceptance due to Ripple's continuing legal dispute with the US Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) over whether it qualifies as a securities. Ripple needs to clarify XRP's legal standing and cooperate with regulators worldwide if it is to make it a global reserve coin. Governments and financial organizations require guarantees that XRP conforms with Know Your Customer (KYC) and anti-money laundering (AML) laws. Furthermore, as contradictory regulations in several countries may impede adoption, it is imperative to achieve international regulatory harmonization. Wider adoption may result from Ripple's aggressive lobbying of legislators and attempts to establish international guidelines for regulating cryptocurrencies. Clarity in regulations may also open up collaborations with additional banks and central banks, establishing XRP as a reliable and law-abiding asset. The potential of XRP as a worldwide reserve currency is still constrained if regulatory issues are not resolved. Second, widespread institutional acceptance. One of XRP's greatest advantages is its ability to be used as a bridge currency for cross-border transactions. But institutional adoption must grow rapidly if it is to become a worldwide reserve currency. Several significant banks and payment processors, such as Santander, SBI Holdings, and MoneyGram, have already partnered with Ripple. But this is only the first step. International financial institutions, multinational firms, and central banks must all embrace XRP extensively in order to strengthen its position. These organizations need to have faith in XRP as a reliable and effective way to settle cross-border transactions. On-demand liquidity ODL and RippleNet, two of Ripple's technologies, offer a foundation for quick and affordable transfers, but more interaction with current financial systems is required. The crucial element is proving XRP's practicality. Central banks may set an example for other organizations to follow if they employ XRP as a bridge currency for foreign trade. In areas like Asia and the Middle East, where blockchain-based solutions are highly sought after, Ripple's continued partnerships may act as a spur for further institutional adoption. Third, dealing with network stability and scalability. Massive transaction volumes must be reliably and effectively handled by a global reserve coin. With transaction durations averaging 3 to 5 seconds and costs as low as $0.0002 per transaction, XRP already has excellent performance characteristics. Scalability is still a crucial area that needs to be improved, though. The XRP ledger needs to be able to handle billions of transactions every day as usage increases without sacrificing speed or security. Technical flaws like congestion or network outages could make people less confident in XRP as a good reserve asset. Ripple has to make significant investments in modernizing its infrastructure, which includes strengthening network security and putting in place cutting-edge consensus techniques. Decentralization is also a contentious issue. Critics contend that Ripple's assertion that it is a decentralized cryptocurrency is called into question by its substantial control over the XRP ecosystem. In order to allay these worries and increase trust amongst governments and financial organizations, Ripple must promote a more decentralized network. 4. Achieving value stability. The foundation of every reserve currency is stability. Because of their comparatively steady value, reserve assets like gold and the U.S. currency have historically been trusted. The inherent volatility of cryptocurrencies such as XRP makes it difficult for them to be adopted as reserve assets. XRP has to figure out how to lower price volatility in order to become a worldwide reserve. This might be achieved by using tools like using Ripple's escrow system to control supply and demand dynamics, or tying its value to a basket of reliable assets. Although Ripple's current approach of gradually releasing XRP from escrow is a positive start, stronger safeguards could be needed. The stability of XRP's value is also influenced by liquidity. Ripple might lessen price fluctuations brought on by significant transactions by boosting liquidity on international exchanges and guaranteeing that XRP is traded extensively. Because central banks and institutional investors seek predictability in reserve assets, XRP's value stability would make it more appealing to them. 5. Taking on current reserve currencies. Established reserve currencies like the US dollar, euro, and yen, as well as new digital assets like Bitcoin and stablecoins like USDT Tether and USDC, are fierce rivals of XRP. Every one of these options has advantages of its own, and XRP needs to show that it is superior in order to become popular as a reserve currency. Efficiency is one area where XRP shines. It has a major advantage over conventional fiat-based systems and even many other cryptocurrencies due to its quick transaction rates and inexpensive costs. However, technological supremacy is not enough to challenge the long-standing dominance of fiat currencies. Major international players must also support XRP politically and economically. This gap might be closed by fostering central bank trust and presenting XRP as an asset that complements fiat currencies rather than as a direct rival. By emphasizing interoperability, Ripple has made it possible for XRP to serve as a bridge currency for CBDCs, which is a calculated move that may increase its attractiveness in the global financial system. 6. Central banks' adoption of digital reserves. A revolutionary change in the global financial scene is represented by the emergence of central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. Numerous nations are actively creating or testing their own CBDCs, including the US, China, and the EU. As a bridge currency that promotes interoperability between various digital currencies, XRP has the potential to be extremely important in this new era. Central banks must include XRP in their digital reserves in order for it to obtain reserve status. To do this, central banks would need to be persuaded of its security, stability, and usefulness. With its ability to facilitate smooth cross-border transactions, Ripple's technology makes XRP an obvious choice for connecting CBDCs. A major step toward the adoption of global reserves would be reached if Ripple could form alliances with powerful central banks and incorporate XRP into their monetary systems. Ripple's dedication to operating within the changing CBDC ecosystem is demonstrated by its continued collaboration with organizations such as the Bank of England and the Monetary Authority of Singapore. If XRP is successful in this field, it may become a key component of the global monetary system. 7. Adapting to changes in the global economy and geopolitics. Last but not least, broader macroeconomic and geopolitical developments are critical to XRP's potential as a worldwide reserve coin. Economic changes and geopolitical conflicts are posing a growing threat to the US dollar's role as the world's reserve currency. Alternative assets like XRP may be used by nations looking to lessen their reliance on the dollar in international trade. Ripple is well positioned to benefit from these changes due to its expanding influence in areas including Asia, the Middle East, and Africa. For example, collaborations with financial institutions in these areas may contribute to the development of XRP as an impartial and effective asset for resolving international disputes. Additionally, XRP has the chance to easily integrate into new systems as a result of the growing digitization of international trade and banking. But there are risks associated with geopolitical concerns as well. Governments may be reluctant to embrace a cryptocurrency if they believe it is dominated or controlled by one party. While addressing worries about centralization, Ripple must carefully negotiate these complications by highlighting XRP's neutrality and technological advantages. Conclusion: the ambitious objective of making XRP a global reserve cryptocurrency necessitates overcoming formidable obstacles in the areas of competition, scalability, stability, adoption, and regulation. Ripple's dedication to this goal is evident in its continuous attempts to interact with regulators, central banks, and financial institutions. XRP is a serious challenger due to its technological advantages and strategic placement, even though the road to global reserve status is paved with challenges. XRP has the ability to completely transform the way reserve assets operate in the 21st century by resolving its present issues and seizing new opportunities in the global financial system. Although there is still a long and uncertain road ahead, XRP has the potential to revolutionize global finance with the correct tactics. Let us know in the comments what you think about what would it take for XRP to become the global reserve cryptocurrency. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more captivating content on our YouTube channel.